Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty making from Naio Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a disappearing act nail art design.
I thought you were just going to disappear there. Like...
Right, so I've already got a nail that I've created here. I've used acrylic. The colour that I've used is natural. So it's like a sheer milky colour. Yeah, something like that. Like skimmed milk. I'm going to use Sparday for my background colour. This is one of my mum's favourite colours. I am working on a pinky. This is JJ's pinky that I'm working on, so it is really, really tiny. And I'm going to do 2 coats of that colour. And now I'm going to put on Aurora. Now this is a collection that we have called Aurora. This is Northern Lights. Can you see? It kind of changes from pink to blue. There's a collection. They're all slightly different. So you can see what it's like when it's on black. It goes really blue. See the difference on the brush? So they change. How cool is that? But I just want to add a nice hue to this gel polish. I want it to have a nice shimmer. So if you've got a flat colour and you just want to add a shimmer to it, you can add Aurora, one of the Auroras, over the top. And it'll just make it all shimmery and sparkly. Pop that into the lamp. Now I'm going to use a what?
Antipode.
Antipode?
Mm.
What's that mean?
Could be Antipode.
Antipode?
Hey Siri, is there such a word as Antipode?
Okay, I found this on the web for is there such a word as ab? Take a look.
Ab.
Siri, you are useless.
So anyway, whatever this is called, I'm going to take some of it, pop it on to a sculpting form because I'm going to use it like a paint. So this is a Thermochromic gel polish. So this reacts to heat. So what I'm going to do is just show you what you can do with it, you know. And I'm going to create some swirls.
Oh, too much.
Just flash cure that. I'm going to flash cure after doing a few of them, just so I know it's not going to move. Bring that out for me.
It disappears.
Oh my god, it's starting to disappear. So I only want to flash cure it because I want to be able to see what I am actually painting, where I'm painting.
I found a video on YouTube.
Antipodes.
Antipode?
Antipode.
Antipodes.
Pop that in. And what's that mean?
They're getting scientific with their namings.
Are they?
The parts of the Earth diametrically opposite, usually used in plural, often used of Australia and New Zealand as contrasted to the Western Hemisphere. The exact opposite or contrary.
To the dark, to the light then.
Yeah.
Ooh. I'm going to top coat this now. So you can see every time it goes in the lamp and it gets a little bit warm. Oh my God, look at that. It must have been cold. The top coat must be cold because it started making it darker. So this is pretty cool because the hotter it is, the less of the design you'll see. And the cooler it is, the more of the design you'll see. Because as you can see now, it's like an ombre. Because you've got the warmth of the finger and the tip is cold. So it gives you an ombre effect all of its own. Pop that in the lamp. Oh, look. It's vanishing. Let's heat it up with the hairdryer. Oh, bye-bye. A bit of heat makes it vanish. And when you make it cold, it comes back. Dip it in again. There you are. Back it is. It's come back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? I created a monster. I was going to put some stones on, but I don't know where.
I think you definitely should.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to add a few stones. I'm just going to use Mega Gloss to adhere them. I think we're going to put some here. Are you actually kidding me? Are you actually kidding me? Are you
What?
actually kidding me? Have you seen what's just happened, Adam? I'm going to die. I'm going to die. I can't move.
Oh, you've dropped them on yourself?
Yeah, I can't move.
You douchebag.
I'm going to put a few bullion balls or micro beads around. That's what it's like when it's cold. When it's hot, it disappears.
When you go to the gym and you're all hot and bothered.
But look, everyone, how much I've worked out.
You'll be at work with the hairdryer going, oh, look at my
I wonder how many times I'm going to have to show this to people.
nail! How cool is that? Right, let's finish off with a little bit of cuticle oil. I like it because it's fun. It's a fun design. So y'all, don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget to check out my Snapchat, which is Kirsty Nails. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.